exhibition shows 3D complicated forms that are based loosely on biological forms, mutating and breeding in real time in virtual space. A recurrent theme throughout all my work is the relationship between art and science and technology. Obviously with the computer pieces I'm harnessing computer technology, what computers are good at, complex generation of structures.
I'm Sarah Cook and I'm a research fellow at Duncan of Jordanstone College of Art and Design. And this space that we're standing in is called Life Space, which is a new science art research gallery here in the College of Life Sciences at the University of Dundee. And with Life Space, we want to bring artists into collaboration with scientists from the beginning of their research period to really consider how to not just illustrate or visualize the ideas, but how to challenge our understanding of those ideas and our understanding of those conditions.
So I was commissioned in 2012 to make a body of work about World War I, and so I spent a week wandering around, talking to different academics, museum curators, battlefield guides. So there were many cases that I was particularly fascinated by and would have loved to involve, but actually it became dictated by the knowledge of the location. And I think that really what this series is doing is it's trying to stamp that presence back onto the land, say that person is part of this place and that history shouldn't be forgotten.
Wanna hear you go.